In this guide, I'm going to clear out whether you can order from Target without creating an account or not. Let's get started. Target requires you to have a registered Target account before you can complete an online purchase. This applies whether you are shopping on the official Target website or using the Target mobile app. During the checkout process, you will be asked to sign in or create new account before you can place your order. At this time, Target does not offer a guest checkout option for online purchases. If you prefer not to create a Target account, your only alternative is to shop in person at your nearest Target store, where you can purchase items without registering for an online account. If you are willing to create an account, the process is quick and free. Simply open the Target app or visit the official Target website, select sign in or create account, then enter your personal information including your name, email address, and password. Verify your account if prompted and then sign in. Once your account is set up, you'll be able to place online orders, track your purchases, save payment methods and delivery addresses, access Target Circle benefits, and use services like pickup and delivery. And that's all you need to know. You cannot place an online Target order without first creating a Target account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.